The stonefish hunts by safely hiding in plain sight. Even more sinister than his front side is his backside, armed with 13 hypodermic-like spines that can inject enough venom to kill a person. The showdown of two savvy predators doesn't last very long. The eel deftly dodges his victim's venomous spines. Once he sinks his teeth into the stonefish, he's not letting go. The eel's slimy skin exudes an excruciating toxin that destroys red blood cells when it's rubbed onto wounds. Then, the eel pulls the fish through his knotted body to tear off chunks.